Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete your Google account permanently on your PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to delete your Google account permanently, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in browser just select your Google account which you want to delete. And here just click on your Google account or the profile option, and then just click on manage your Google account. Now here you will see the option of data and privacy. Select this option. Just scroll down to the end and you will see the option of delete your Google account. Just click on this option and here just click on continue and then verify yourself using your passkey or your Google account password. And once you have done, just scroll down and then click on delete account. If you want to download your data, so you can also try to download your data or you can also try to delete account by using this option. Very first, just check these boxes, then click on delete account, and here your account and all its data has been deleted. So in this way, you can easily and permanently delete your Google account on your PC or on your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.